We're going to take a look at race problems, word problems, or problems where people are arriving somewhere faster and slower than other people. So let's look at our first example problem here. Sam walked to the store in 14 minutes. Tanoa was 2 minutes slower than Sam. Ben was 6 minutes faster than Tanoa. How long did it take Ben to get to the store? So what our problem is dealing with is that we have the store over here, and let's say it's their house is right here, and we've got Sam taking 14 minutes. Here's Sam, and Tanoa was 2 minutes slower than Sam. So here's Tanoa back here because he's further away from the store because he's slower. And so if it takes Sam 14 minutes to get to the store, it's going to take Tanoa longer, which means a higher number than Sam's. And then it says Ben was 6 minutes faster. So if Ben is faster than Tanoa, Ben is going to be up here, right? Because he's closer to the store. So the tricky part of these is that you're going to do the opposite of adding or subtracting from what you probably think you're supposed to do. So if Sam took 14 minutes and Ben was 2 minutes slower, if he did worse, then his time is higher. So we need to add 2 minutes to get 16 for Tanoa. Now, how are we going to find Ben's? Ben was 6 minutes faster than Tanoa, which means he did it better than Tanoa, which means his time is lower. So I'm going to take Tanoa's time of 16, and I'm going to subtract 6 seconds to get 10. And so the answer is 10 seconds for Ben. Now here's a similar problem. This is running in a race. And Faith ran a race in 27 seconds. Andrew was 4 seconds faster than Faith. Leilani was 7 seconds slower than Andrew. How long did it take Leilani to run the race? Well, we're going to start off with Faith at 27. I like to put letters next to these so we can keep track of who's who. And then it says Andrew was 4 seconds faster. Faster means better, which means a lower time. And in order to get a lower number, I have to subtract 4. 27 take away 4 is 23. And then Leilani was 7 seconds slower than Andrew. Slower is worse. It's longer, and so it needs to have a higher number. So I'm going to take 23 and add 7 to get a slower time of 30 seconds. And that's how you do those kinds of problems.